You've spent decades paying into your home. You've built equity. That equity is yours. But did you know there's a way to access that equity without selling your home and without making monthly mortgage payments? It's called a reverse mortgage. And in this video, I'll explain exactly how it works, who it's for, and answer the most common questions seniors have. Let's start with the basics. What is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage is a loan for homeowners age 62 or older. It allows you to convert a portion of your home's equity into cash. Unlike a traditional forward mortgage, where you make monthly payments to the lender, a reverse mortgage does the opposite. The lender makes payments to you. You can receive these payments as a lump sum, monthly installments, a line of credit, or a combination. Here's what makes reverse mortgages unique. You keep the title to your home. You continue living in your home. You never make a monthly mortgage payment. You never owe more than your home is worth. Who qualifies for a reverse mortgage? To qualify, you must meet 3 main requirements. First, you must be at least 62 years old. Second, you must own your home and live in it as your primary residence. Third, you must have enough equity in your home. Most lenders require that you either own your home outright or have a low remaining mortgage balance. You'll also need to demonstrate that you can keep up with property taxes, homeowners insurance, and basic home maintenance. These obligations never go away. What can you use the money for? This is where reverse mortgages get interesting. You can use the proceeds for almost anything. Common uses include paying off your existing mortgage, covering medical bills or in-home care, making home repairs or accessibility modifications, supplementing your retirement income, creating an emergency safety net, helping adult children or grandchildren. The money is yours to use tax-free, and there are no restrictions on how you spend it. The number one fear: will I lose my home? This is the most common question, and here's the honest answer. You cannot lose your home as long as you continue living in the home as your primary residence, pay your property taxes, keep your homeowner's insurance current, maintain the home in good condition. If you meet these obligations, you keep your home, period. The loan does not need to be repaid until you permanently move out, sell the home, or pass away. What happens to your heirs? Many seniors worry about leaving debt to their children. Here's how it works. When you pass away, your heirs have options. Option 1. They can keep the home by repaying the loan balance. This is typically done by refinancing into a traditional mortgage or using other assets. Option 2. They can sell the home. The loan is repaid from the sale proceeds. Any remaining equity goes to your heirs. Option 3. They can turn the home over to the lender. This is rarely the best option, but it's available. Here's the key protection. You and your heirs will never owe more than the home's value. If the loan balance grows larger than what the home is worth, the lender absorbs the loss. This is called the non-recourse feature, and it's required by law for all reverse mortgages insured by the FHA. Is a reverse mortgage right for you? A reverse mortgage is a powerful tool, but it's not for everyone. It may be a good fit if you plan to stay in your home for the long term. You need additional retirement income. You want to eliminate your monthly mortgage payment. You have significant home equity. It may not be a good fit if you plan to move within a few years. You can't afford property taxes and insurance. You want to leave the home free and clear to your heirs. You have very little equity in your home. Before you make any decision, you are required by federal law to receive independent counseling from a HUD-approved reverse mortgage counselor. This counseling session covers the costs, alternatives, and risks. It's there to protect you. If you'd like to learn more about reverse mortgages and whether you might qualify, I'm happy to answer your questions. Call us at 310-571-5750 or visit los-angeles-mortgage.com for a free information packet. No pressure, no obligation. Thank you for watching.